Yeah, go to the gym, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Don't do it. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jason again at Grand Teton Harley-Davidson in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Hey, we got us a new project on the lift right now. It's one I've been waiting to do. Really super excited about this one. So we've got our 2023 Fast Johnnie Road Glide, and I think we're gonna nickname this one the Faster Johnnie. We've got a lot of stuff going into it, including a 135 crate. We're gonna be doing suspension, bars. Nothing on this bike's gonna go untouched. It's gonna turn out super cool and be another bike that's ready for the track or just cruising and having fun and turning heads. Super excited about this one. So we're gonna start tearing it down and keep watching and watch the progress of this monster come to life. Yeah, she's gonna be great. Okay, so we've got the bike torn down. We've got everything torn off. It's gonna be going to powder coating. We're gonna have some powder coating done on this with the wheels, the motor, just some little highlights. So got all that ripped off. We're about to rip the motor out. Now we're about ready to pull the motor out and drop in our 135. So this should be fun. I'm gonna have to get the muscles in the shop to give me a hand. So what we're gonna wanna do Faster Johnnie. Doctor, transplant is complete. Hey guys, it's Jason again at Grand Teton Harley-Davidson in Idaho Falls, Idaho. So we started this project here a couple months ago. We just finished it up. We're gonna nickname this one Faster Johnnie, and we'll get a little more into that as we go. So yeah, this is a beautiful bike. This thing's gonna be incredibly fun for the owner. A little bit of a sport bike, you know, a little sport build to it. Started off just your standard Fast Johnnie Road Glide, and we added a few things to it. So let's jump in, let's not beat around the bush. We started off with, of course, going with the T-bar setup. We decided to try the Arlen Ness T-bars. We've ran other T-bar setups in the past. This is a super nice setup. Really nice, really clean. Kind of things I like about this one is your gauges are right in your face. The pullback on the bars is incredibly comfortable. These risers that come in this kit are solid. They are so solid. And they're nice because they're drilled out. You can hide your wiring and everything through them as well. But with that, we had to keep going. So we added the 2-inch drop triple tree from Arlen Ness as well. So what that did is it raised the bike up 2 inches. Then we married it with the black fork tubes from Arlen Ness, fork guards up front. They cover the tubes, give it a really nice look. Then we went with the method lowers, which are gusseted and a cross brace. So these forks aren't going to flex. This thing is gonna handle like it's on rails. Besides the performance, it looks amazing. This setup would look amazing on any bike. We've got our handling down, you know, so then we had to move into the suspension, of course. You know us, we like to go big. We added the Ohlins Nix 22 front cartridges in the front, and we ran the Screamin Eagle Ohlins in the rear. And then we actually added, Arlen Ness makes a really nice lift block for the rear. So we were able to get the back end up, kept our trail, height is all the same. That's gonna keep this thing planted, you know. You all heard me say it before, it's gonna handle like it's on rails, but this is legit. So with that, of course, we went with the Saddleman step up. Besides the look of this seat being sporty, this is a really comfortable seat. This is an all-day rider. And we had it matched. We did it in black with the white stitching, and then we put gripper material on it. So when you're really banging into corners, getting crazy, at least you're gonna stay on your saddle. Kind of important. So that covers the top half. Besides having a bunch of performance, we had to make this thing step out a little bit different than typical fast Johnnie. So we decided to have some stuff powder coated. We definitely went with the saddlebag rails. I know when the saddlebag's on, you're not gonna see much, but this white curve right here ties in perfect with the pinstripe. Looks crazy good. We did the lower rockers in white. We didn't want to go overboard on the motor. With the motor, we just blacked everything out. Black bolt kits, made sure there was no chrome showing on it. We powder coated the engine guard, the fairing brace, and then of course to tie in the white, we had to go with the Vans grips. I mean, you have to. It's very noticeable that it's different than your stock bike. With the controls, we actually ran Arlen Ness controls along with the front end. We've got your shift linkage, front shift arm, the whole shifting setup, footboards, brake levers, adjustable. It's really nice. It's really comfortable. So, I mean, we did just some light touches in the white. I mean, we even did the saddlebag handles in white. You know, the latches being in white up against the blue, it just ties in with everything. That covers everything up top. Down below, you know, this thing isn't just set up for riding. We went a little nuts with everything else as well. We ran a Zippers chain drive conversion with their rear axle, rear adjusters, and then we've gone in and we've put in a crate 135. That's where she gets her nickname, Faster Johnnie. We had to go with the 135. This motor should tie this whole build together. And it was actually we based the build off of the motor. So we were planning on performance right out of the bat. So that's why we went with the chain drive. We ran a Star billet compensator, a little smoother. The Screamin Eagle heavy duty clutch in it. Hold that power, we're just gonna be slipping. With that, we also ran Vance & Hines 2-in-1. It's their high output RR. It's a race inspired exhaust, same exhaust that they put on their race bike. Looks amazing. It's such a good looking exhaust. And it would honestly look good on any build. Big Vance & Hines logo on it, big muffler, short little pipes, but it's tuned. And then with that, we went ahead and plugged in a ThunderMax Tuner so we could get it dialed in with everything else we've done. She sounds amazing. Unfortunately, we haven't got to ride her yet because it snows in Idaho, but it gives us something to look forward to. So yeah, she's healthy. So now we have the power that we want, the handling, the suspension, everything. We have to stop this beast. So what we did is we ran with Galfer crown cut rotors with Brembo brakes set up front and rear. And then we had to run Reinhardt carbon fiber wheels. We had to We had to lighten it up, and these wheels are amazing. Bang for your buck, these things are great. The research I've done on them, they actually rate stronger and have less vibration. They don't absorb the road vibration. So it's gonna be a smoother ride, stronger setup, and light. They are ridiculously light. So this thing should just be fun in every occasion. But at the end of the day, it's kind of meant to just really just pound on and ride hard. So it'll be interesting when we can actually get it out on the road and feel how everything responds. So we're super excited to see how this thing runs out. This is our first crate 135. Hopefully it's gonna be a good selling point. They're claiming 135 horse, torque's out the wall. I mean, this thing should just be a powerhouse. All right, guys, so stay tuned, because we really want to show you guys this thing out on the road. So we're gonna be touching back on it. But for now, if you guys have any ideas or something you'd like to see built, go ahead, come on in. If you're local, come talk to me. If not, shoot us a message. But on that, if you like what you see, pound that like button, share, subscribe, let us know how we're doing. Thanks, guys. Ta-da!